It says they're raffle stuff. If you haven't dropped them, you may do so after you run. You'll see a box by the main stage area. Drop it there. Also, meron tayong cool down session. If you're a little bitten with the 10K run, join us for the cool down session. That should be a lot of fun too.
So again, a lot to look forward to at the Race Village. You have the awarding ceremony, raffle draw, prizes, and giveaways. Please make sure you're all there as well, because some of the prizes you have to be physically present to claim those prizes for all of you. Please make sure you get the drop off your raffle stuff there in front of the main stage area for us to draw later on.
All right, you know, today is extra special because again, everyone's looking fresh, bright, and confident. Pero parang mas may motivation tayo. Especially for the ladies out there. Joining us for 10K for the result. 10 minor series. Pasay Live. Please welcome Joshua Garcia. Hello, Mommy.
Hello. Good morning, runners. Okay ba yung lahat? Nakapag-warm up na ba? Good morning.
Nakapag-warm up na.
Few message lang. Dahil Rexona event to, so stay fresh, stay cool and dry. At kaya-kaya natin to. It's actually my first time.
First time to run 10K?
First time.
Sino mga first time?
Maraming first times dito. Okay. And just take it one stride at a time. Remember, conquer with confidence and fitness strong. At magkita rin tayo lahat sa finish line.
Wait lang. Before you go, kasi di ba merong di ba girls merong viral? Kim, the Kim Son Ho trend. Please bring out the earphones and your cameras. Joshua Garcia doing the Kim Son Ho trend. Kaya. Ito na. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Walang music. Wala?
Walang music eh.
Wala eh. Next time na lang.
Paano ba yung music na yan? Ako nakakanta din.
Mamaya na lang.
Mamaya. Sige. Perhaps sa awarding ceremony.
Yes. Wala naman. Yes.
Alright, but he's joining our 10K runners. So good luck to you.
Thank you.
And good luck to everybody. A big hand please for Joshua Garcia.
Metro runners, congratulations on finishing your 10 miles, 10 kilometer, and 5 kilometer. Again, we're calling all the runners to drop your raffle stops in front of the main stage. We're starting the main stage.
Oh, sa GC. Ha? Baka doon na siguro sa ano. Diba tuloy naman yung ano, wala namang t-shirt. May additional para tayo dito na kabol. Dito na kabol eh. Ilang minutes sa'yo? 12. Ha? 12. 9 kami yung dalawa. Hoy! Ako! Ayaw ko! Hindi man ikaw sa sabi na tayo. Ano? Dito nga rin ito. Sabi mo na pagkita ko. Ayaw ko na. Ano? Nakasalubong ko? Parating na rin yun? Ito sabihin na naman na. Ayaw ka. Nandang ka na dumaan. Ang layo palit. Ito naman dito na. Hindi. Wala pa siguro isang oras sa kanya. Kaya maaga nag-picture na ano yan eh. Maaga nag-sin si ano eh. Na finish striker. Kaya niya yun isang oras. Malayo yung angkot natin eh.
Sa kanila siguro walang isang oras.
Oo.
Di ba, kalulot oh. Pumasok ka ulit doon.
Ayun na pala eh.
Let! Woo! Let! Kalulot! Ayon, ayon. Ayon.
Ayun na pala eh. Isang oras sa'yo, wala. Hindi dapat isang oras no?
Martial lang.
Oo.
8 minutes.
Ito.
Bilis nga.
1 hour lang.
1 hour.
59, no?
1 hour and 8 seconds. 50 minutes. Kumabol ka kayo, Joshua? Diba sabi niya, kawawa yung mga martial. Hindi yun. Tayo pa bilis, hindi maano.
Kaya ko siya.
Mabilis.
Ayon, ayon. Yan. Kaya ko pa eh. Yan. Pila ka dyan, yan.